we're going to make meatballs, potatoes in the oven and tzatziki. Stay with me till the end of the video to see how easy this is. You're going to need some bread. Take out the crust and leaving the soft bit inside, add some water and then mash properly together. You're gonna have to use your hands for this, but don't worry. Add an egg and then add garlic, salt and pepper, as well as some oregano. Finish off with some paprika. Add some olive oil and give it a good mix. For the best meatballs, you should use beef mince and take the 5% fat variety, otherwise you're gonna end up with too much fat in your meat. When you're ready to roll your meatballs, oil your hands and make small balls about a couple of inches in diameter. Once you've shaped them all, you're ready to start frying. Using a hot, non-stick pan, place your meatballs one by one. You don't need any additional oil. Stir them frequently as you're cooking them to make sure that they cook on all sides. There we are, it's all ready. Now moving on to the potatoes. Peel a couple of kilos of large potatoes and then cut them in the same way you would cut them for thick cut fries. If you don't have a non-stick pan, it's a good idea to put some baking paper at the bottom of your pan. Add salt, pepper, oregano, paprika, lemon juice, and olive oil. Give everything a good mix. Put the potatoes to cook in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. About half an hour in, take them out and give them a stir to make sure that they cook evenly on all sides. Place back in the oven for another half hour. And you're ready. Now, moving on to the tzatziki. Start off with a whole cucumber. You don't need to peel it, but make sure you wash it first. Grate it. Put in a colander with some salt so all its juices run out. While the cucumber is draining, you can prepare the garlic. Mash together some cloves of garlic with salt. That will give it a nice smooth texture. Move the drained cucumber to a bowl, add the garlic, and add some full-fat yogurt. Hopefully the Greek strained one, but anyone will do. Add some olive oil and give it a good mix. Your tzatziki is ready. Try to make your own Greek feast and let me know how it went in the comments.